Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of castor oil, a humble yet powerful natural remedy that's often overlooked. If you've got a bottle of castor oil gathering dust in your cabinet, it's time to unlock its full potential. From enhancing your beauty routine to tackling common household issues, castor oil is a versatile elixir that's worth adding to your daily toolkit. In this video, we'll explore how castor oil can transform your skincare, ease those pesky aches, and even restore your favorite leather items to their former glory. So, stick around as we uncover the surprising and effective ways to make the most of this remarkable oil. You might just find it's the game changer you've been waiting for. Number 1. Soothing treatment for corns and calluses. Corns and calluses can make walking uncomfortable, but castor oil offers a soothing remedy to alleviate this common issue. Thanks to its rich fatty acids, castor oil hydrates and softens the skin, providing relief from the discomfort caused by these hardened areas. Begin by soaking your feet in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes. This helps soften the tough skin, making it easier for the castor oil to penetrate. After soaking, thoroughly dry your feet with a soft towel to ensure no moisture remains, which can interfere with the oil's effectiveness. Next, take a generous amount of castor oil and apply it directly to the areas with corns or calluses. These typically form on the tops and sides of your toes or on the balls and heels of your feet. Gently massage the oil into the skin for a few minutes. This not only feels good but also helps the oil penetrate deeply. After applying the oil, slip on a pair of clean cotton socks. This keeps the oil in place and prevents it from getting on your sheets while you sleep. Leave the oil on overnight to let it work its magic. In the morning, rinse off the oil and use a pumice stone or foot file to gently exfoliate the softened skin. Regular use can gradually soften and remove corns and calluses, leaving your feet smoother and more comfortable. Number 2. Removal of warts and skin tags. As we age, warts and skin tags can become more common and bothersome, appearing on the neck, fingers, or other parts of the body. Castor oil offers a simple and natural solution to tackle these skin issues effectively. Its rich fatty acids and antimicrobial properties make it a gentle yet powerful remedy for diminishing warts and skin tags over time. To use castor oil for this purpose, start by cleaning the affected area thoroughly with soap and water, then dry it completely. Apply a small amount of castor oil directly to the wart or skin tag using a cotton swab or your fingertip. Massage the oil gently into the skin for a few minutes to ensure it penetrates deeply. After applying the oil, cover the area with a clean bandage to keep the oil in place and protect the skin. Leave the bandage on overnight, allowing the castor oil to work while you sleep. In the morning, remove the bandage and wash the area. Repeat this process daily for several weeks. Consistent use can lead to the gradual reduction and eventual disappearance of warts and skin tags. This method is not only effective but also safe and gentle, making it suitable for regular use without the harsh side effects associated with chemical treatments. Give castor oil a try and enjoy smoother, clearer skin as you embrace the natural aging process. 3. Beard oil for gentlemen. Gentlemen, if you're looking to keep your beard looking its best, castor oil is the natural solution you've been searching for. This rich, moisturizing oil can help maintain a soft, well-hydrated beard, preventing dryness and itchiness that can plague facial hair. Using castor oil as a beard oil is simple and highly effective. Start by warming a few drops of castor oil in your hands. The warmth helps the oil to spread more easily and penetrate deeply into the hair follicles. Massage the oil into your beard, ensuring that it reaches the skin beneath. This not only conditions your beard but also moisturizes the skin, reducing flakiness and itchiness. Regular application of castor oil can also promote hair growth, helping you achieve a fuller, thicker beard over time. the oil's nutrients nourish the hair follicles, encouraging healthy growth. Additionally, castor oil gives your beard a healthy shine, making it look well-groomed and vibrant. Incorporating castor oil into your daily grooming routine can make a significant difference in the appearance and feel of your beard. It's a simple, natural way to keep your facial hair soft, shiny, and well-maintained. 4. Natural lubricant for household devices. Are squeaky gadgets and stubborn hinges becoming a nuisance in your home? Castor oil is a fantastic solution for all your lubrication needs. This versatile oil is not only effective but also safe for use on a variety of materials, including rubber and metal, which can be damaged by other oils. Castor oil's thick consistency and long-lasting properties make it perfect for lubricating moving parts in machines and appliances. To use castor oil as a lubricant, simply apply a few drops to the affected area. For kitchen gadgets, hinges, or any other household items that need a bit of care, castor oil provides a smooth, noiseless operation. You can apply it with a dropper, brush, or even a cloth, ensuring that the oil reaches all the nooks and crannies where friction occurs. Regular application of castor oil can help prevent wear and tear, extending the life of your devices. Unlike synthetic lubricants, castor oil is biodegradable and eco-friendly, making it a responsible choice for environmentally conscious individuals. Its natural properties ensure that it won't harm your household items but will instead keep them running smoothly and quietly. 5. Natural relief for headaches and migraines. Suffering from headaches and migraines can be debilitating, but castor oil offers a natural and gentle remedy that can provide significant relief. With its anti-inflammatory and soothing properties, castor oil can help alleviate tension and reduce the discomfort associated with these conditions. To use castor oil for headache relief, start by applying a small amount to your fingertips. Gently massage the oil onto your forehead, temples, and the back of your neck. This massage helps the oil penetrate the skin and reach the muscles and nerves that may be contributing to your headache. The soothing properties of castor oil promote relaxation and reduce inflammation, offering a calming effect. You can also enhance the effectiveness of castor oil by using it in conjunction with a warm compress. After massaging the oil into your skin, place a warm, damp cloth over your forehead and relax for 15 to 20 minutes. The warmth helps to open up blood vessels, improving circulation and further easing headache pain. Castor oil is a natural alternative to over-the-counter pain relievers, providing relief without the risk of side effects. Next time you feel a headache or migraine coming on, reach for castor oil. Its gentle yet effective properties can help you find comfort and relief, allowing you to get back to your day with less pain and more ease. 6. Leather conditioner. Bring new life to your leather items with the natural conditioning power of castor oil. Whether it's your favorite shoes, a cherished handbag, or an old leather chair, castor oil can rejuvenate and extend the life of your leather goods by nourishing and protecting the material. To use castor oil as a leather conditioner, start by cleaning the leather surface to remove any dust or dirt. Apply a small amount of castor oil to a soft cloth, ensuring it's not overly saturated. Gently rub the oil into the leather in circular motions, covering the entire surface. This helps the oil penetrate and condition the leather, restoring its natural suppleness. As you apply the oil, pay attention to areas that might be particularly dry or cracked. The castor oil will hydrate the leather, preventing it from becoming brittle and extending its lifespan. After applying the oil, let it sit for about 15 to 30 minutes to allow it to absorb fully. Finally, buff the leather with a clean, dry cloth to remove any excess oil and enhance the shine. This simple treatment will leave your leather items looking refreshed and well-maintained. Regular conditioning with castor oil can keep your leather looking elegant and durable for years to come. 7. Nail and cuticle treatment. Achieve healthier nails and softer cuticles with the natural benefits of castor oil. Known for its nourishing properties, castor oil provides essential hydration and nutrients that help maintain the strength and appearance of your nails and cuticles. To use castor oil as a nail and cuticle treatment, start by washing your hands thoroughly and drying them completely. Take a small amount of castor oil and gently massage it into your cuticles and the surrounding skin. The oil's rich consistency helps to soften and moisturize dry or cracked cuticles, preventing them from peeling or becoming painful. Continue to massage the oil into your nails, paying special attention to the nail beds. Castor oil's nourishing properties not only hydrate but also strengthen the nails, reducing the likelihood of breakage and splitting. Its antimicrobial qualities also help prevent infections around the nail area. For best results, apply castor oil to your cuticles and nails daily, preferably before bedtime. This allows the oil to work overnight, giving your nails and cuticles ample time to absorb the nutrients. 8. Furniture polish. Revitalize your wooden furniture with a natural touch by using castor oil as a polish. This versatile oil not only enhances the shine of your furniture but also nourishes the wood, helping to maintain its beauty and longevity. To create a homemade furniture polish, mix half a cup of white vinegar with 4 ounces of castor oil and add 20 to 30 drops of lemon oil. The vinegar acts as a natural cleaner, while the lemon oil adds a pleasant fragrance and additional shine. Combine these ingredients in a small bowl or spray bottle and stir or shake well. Dampen a soft cloth with the mixture, ensuring it is not too wet. Gently rub the cloth onto the wood in light, circular motions. This technique helps to spread the polish evenly and avoid streaks. As you polish, the castor oil penetrates the wood, nourishing and hydrating it, while the vinegar and lemon oil help to lift and remove dirt and grime. Once you've finished polishing, allow the furniture to sit for a few minutes so the oil can fully absorb. Buff the surface with a clean, dry cloth to achieve a brilliant shine. This natural polish not only makes your furniture look refreshed but also helps protect and extend its lifespan. Enjoy the beauty and elegance that castor oil brings to your wooden pieces. 9. Earwax removal. Feeling like your ears are clogged can be frustrating, but castor oil offers a gentle and effective way to tackle earwax buildup without harsh chemicals. Its natural properties help soften and remove excess wax, improving hearing and comfort. To use castor oil for earwax removal, start by warming a small amount of castor oil to a comfortable temperature. Make sure it's not too hot, just pleasantly warm to the touch. Tilt your head to the side and carefully pour a few drops of the warm oil into your ear. Allow the oil to sit in your ear for about 5 to 10 minutes. During this time, the oil will soften the accumulated wax, making it easier to remove. After letting the oil sit, tilt your head in the opposite direction to let the oil and softened wax drain out. Use a soft cloth to catch the excess oil as it flows out. To ensure complete removal of the wax, gently rinse your ear with warm water using a bulb syringe. Be careful not to insert the syringe too deeply to avoid damaging your ear. Repeat this process as needed, but avoid overdoing it to prevent irritation. Regular use of castor oil can help keep your ears clean and free from excessive wax buildup, enhancing your hearing and overall ear health. This simple, natural remedy is a safe and effective way to maintain clear and comfortable ears. 10. Soothe mouth sores. Dealing with pesky mouth sores can be quite uncomfortable, but castor oil offers a natural remedy to soothe and heal these irritations. Thanks to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, castor oil can effectively reduce pain and speed up the healing process. To use castor oil for mouth sores, start by ensuring your mouth is clean. You can do this by rinsing with water or using a mild mouthwash. Then, apply a small amount of castor oil directly to the sore using a clean cotton swab or your fingertip. Let the oil sit on the sore for several minutes, allowing it to work its magic. Think of this as giving your sore a mini spa treatment. Repeat this process several times a day to maintain a continuous healing effect. Castor oil not only helps reduce inflammation and pain but also forms a protective barrier over the sore, shielding it from further irritation and promoting faster recovery. 11. Hemorrhoid treatment. Hemorrhoids can be a painful and uncomfortable condition that many people experience but rarely discuss. Fortunately, castor oil provides a natural and effective remedy to alleviate the discomfort associated with hemorrhoids. Its anti-inflammatory and soothing properties can help reduce swelling, pain, and itching. To use castor oil for hemorrhoid treatment, start by soaking a cotton ball or pad in castor oil. Gently apply it to the external hemorrhoids, ensuring the oil covers the affected area thoroughly. Think of it as giving your troubled areas a soothing spa treatment. Let the castor oil sit on the hemorrhoids for at least 15 to 20 minutes, allowing it to penetrate and start working its magic. For added comfort, you can leave the cotton ball in place for longer periods, such as overnight. To keep the area clean and prevent staining, you may want to wear a protective pad or old underwear. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a day for optimal results. Castor oil helps shrink the hemorrhoids and soothes the associated pain and itching, providing much-needed relief. Its natural properties make it a gentle alternative to over-the-counter treatments, reducing the risk of side effects and irritation. Give castor oil a try, and experience the comfort and relief it can bring to your daily life, helping you feel more at ease and comfortable. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with your friends.